Hello class 8 students, I am your maths teacher Nitin. In today's lecture 3, we will start our exercise 8.3, page number 125, 8.2 in fact, exercise 8.2, page number 125, okay. Now question number 1 is, a man got a 10% increase in his salary. कितना increase हुआ? Increase is 10%. Okay. Now, if his new salary is rupees, new salary after increase is how much? Is equal to 1,54,000. Find his original salary. हमको ओरिजिनल सैलरी उसका कैलकुलेट करना है. Okay, we have to find out the original salary. Good. Now let his original salary be X. Okay. Now how much increase? 10% increase हो गया है. Okay. So increase कितना हुआ? 10% ऑफ x, पुरानी सैलरी का 10% इंक्रीज हो गया, दैट इज इक्वल टू 10x अपॉन 100. कैंसिल आउट, इट इज x अपॉन 10. ओके. सो न्यू सैलरी कितना हो गया? न्यू सैलरी इज इक्वल टू x अपॉन 10 प्लस ओल्ड सैलरी. ओके. इक्वल टू, आपने एलसीएम लिया, दैट इज 10x प्लस 10x equal to 11 upon 10x. Okay, this is the new salary in terms of x. Now new salary हमारा इतना है और new salary जो given है वो इतना है, तो दोनों सेम होना चाहिए. तो we will put these two values equal. Okay, so what we will do, we will put these values equal. 11x is equal to 154. Okay, so x is equal to, cancel out, 11 ones are 11, 11 fours are 0, 0, 0. Eleven ones are 11, 11 fours are 44, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the new salary is x is equal to 14,000 into 10, that is 1,40,000. So original salary कितना आया स्टूडेंट? Original salary is 1,40,000. This is your answer. Okay, this is question number 1. Clear? Good. Now come to question number 4 student. Question number 4 of exercise 8.2. Question is, a cost of an article was rupees 15,500. तो CP कितना है? 15,500. 450 were spent on its repair. रिपेयर में हमने कितना स्पेंड किया? 450 हमने रिपेयर में स्पेंड किया, राइट. नाउ तो टोटल प्राइस, टोटल सीपी कितना हो जाएगा? वी विल ऐड दिस, दिस विल बिकम 15,950. ओके, सो दिस इज दिस सीपी फॉर अस. नाउ जो हमने रिपेयर में पैसा लगाया वो हमने ऐड कर दिया, तो सीपी इज 15,950. नाउ एसपी हमको गिवन है, एसपी इज हाउ मच? एसपी इज रुपीज, ओके, एसपी हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. हमको प्रॉफिट गिवन है, प्रॉफिट कितना हुआ? 15%. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द सेलिंग प्राइस. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट देयर इज वन फॉर्मूला, सीपी इज इक्वल टू, राइट इट, CP is equal to 100 upon 100 plus gain into SP. ओके, दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. अगर लॉस है तो नीचे हम लॉस को 100 में से माइनस कर देते हैं. ठीक है. इफ इट इज गेन वी प्लस गेन एंड इफ इट इज लॉस वी सब्ट्रैक्ट लॉस. 100 माइनस लॉस. ओके. नाउ CP इज हाउ मच? 15950. हमने वैल्यू रखा 100 अपॉन 100 प्लस गेन यानी कि 100 प्लस 15 इंटू SP. So 15950 is equal to 100 upon 115 into SP. ओके, क्लियर है स्टूडेंट? नाउ हमको SP कैलकुलेट करना है. हम SP यहां पर ही रखेंगे और इसको ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे तो ये रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. ओके, तो SP इज इक्वल टू $15950 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई ये इधर आकर रेसिप्रोकल 115 अपॉन 100 इज योर आंसर. ओके, कैंसिल आउट. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Now student, multiply 1595 into 23 and divide the answer product by the 2. So your answer will be 18342.50, 18,342 rupees and 50 paisa. This is the SP. Okay, this is the SP. Question पूछा है ना SP, तो SP is 18342.50. Okay. Now come to question number 8 students. Okay, question number 5 6 7 you do on your own. Come to question number 8. Question number 8 is the price of TV is 13,000. The sale tax charge is on the rate of 12%. Okay, so price is given. Price is how much? Price is rupees 13,000. Okay, so obviously this is sale price, right? This is sale price. Now how much tax is charged? Tax is charged is 12%. Now what will be the bill amount? Bill amount हमको निकालना है स्टूडेंट. Okay, so the price is 13,000. Okay, first of all we will find out tax. Tax is equal to 12% of 13,000. Okay, cancel out. 12 into 130. How much? Now the tax is 12 into 130, that is 1560. So what will be the bill amount? हम क्या करेंगे स्टूडेंट? We will add bill amount is equal to 13,000 plus 1560 is equal to how much? Rupees 14,560. This is the bill amount. Okay students, good. Now come to question number 9. Question number 9 is Arun bought a pair of skates at the sale where the discount given was 20%. Discount कितना था? 20%. ठीक है. If the amount he pays is rupees 1600, amount he paid $1,600, find the marked price. What was the marked price on the skates? Okay, लेट MRP इज इक्वल टू X. ओके, डिस्काउंट हमको कितना मिला? 20% ऑफ X इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? Is equal to X upon 5. Okay, now this is the discount. What is the MRP? MRP is X. So what we will do, X minus X upon 5. This is the list price, this is the discount, and what we paid? We paid rupees 1600. Solve it. Into 5 upon 4, 5 4s are 20, 0 0. So the MRP was rupees 2000. Okay, so what is the MRP? MRP is equal to 2000 rupees. This is your answer. Okay, so exercise 8.2 we have done, students. Do all the questions which we discussed over here as well as which we left out. Okay, do all the questions neatly in your copies. Your copies will be checked by the teachers. Okay, good. Now students, we will start a new topic, that is compound interest. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट आपको ऑलरेडी आता है. व्हाट इज सिंपल इंटरेस्ट? सिंपल इंटरेस्ट इज इक्वल टू प्रिंसिपल इंटू टाइम इंटू रेट अपॉन 100. ओके, प्रिंसिपल क्या होता है? द अमाउंट यू गिव टू समबडी. कोई पैसा आपने दिया, दैट इज प्रिंसिपल. टाइम कितने समय के लिए दिया, एंड द रेट आप डिसाइड करते हो किस रेट पर दिया, अपॉन 100. तो दैट्स हाउ यू फाइंड आउट सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. वो आपको अच्छे से आता है. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. Compound interest is calculated. Formula is for compound interest is amount is equal to principal 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. N means time. What is n here? N is equal to time. Clear, students? Now suppose principal given to you is rupees 20,000, time is equal to 1 year, and rate is equal to 20%. Okay, now find out compound interest for the following conditions. Okay, compound interest निकालेंगे स्टूडेंट. we know the formula for compound interest, that is amount is equal to principal. Principal is 20,000 here. 1 plus rate is 20 upon 100 to the power 1. This 1 is time. Okay, so amount is equal to 20,000. Solve it. ब्रैकेट हम सॉल्व करेंगे. दिस विल बिकम LCM is 10 plus 2. Okay, that's equal to 20,000 into 10 plus 2 is 12 upon 10 to the power 1. तो हम एक ही बार करेंगे इसको, कैंसिल आउट. सो 12 2s are 24. 1 2 3 1 2 3. So the amount is 24,000, but the question is you have to find out the compound interest. So compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Okay, so your answer is, what is the amount? 24,000 minus 20,000 is equal to 4,000. So this is your compound interest. So students, with the help of this formula, you can easily calculate compound interest. What is amount? Amount is that money in which you add interest plus principal. प्रिंसिपल और इंटरेस्ट को हम ऐड करते हैं तो हमारा अमाउंट बनता है. ठीक है, What is interest? Interest is that extra money which you give to somebody on behalf of using the principal amount. Okay? For example, आपने किसी को 20,000 रुपीज दिए हैं and in return you get 25,000 after 1 year or so. So that extra money you get including your principal is known as interest. Okay? Good. Now student, you will come across some questions in which the interest is charged, compound interest is charged half yearly. Okay? Compound interest half yearly. So what is the formula? The formula will be amount is equal to principal 1 plus r upon 200. हम रेट को हाफ कर देंगे and we will multiply the time. Okay, so this is the formula for finding out compound interest for half yearly. Okay, good. Now student, we will do one example. Example is find the compound interest for the sum of rupees 10,000. You have to find out the compound interest. Principal is given 10,000. Time is equal to 1 year, invested for 1 year and 3 months. And the rate is equal to 8:1/2%. Okay? So this is the question. You have to calculate the compound interest. Principal is given for 1 year. 10,000 is given for 1 year and 3 months and the rate is 8:1/2%. Okay. Now student, first of all the time can be written as 1 year 3/12. हमने इसको किस में कन्वर्ट किया? ईयर में कन्वर्ट किया. This 3 month is converted into year. Now simplify it. So your time is 1:1/4. Okay. And your interest is 8⁻⁴, 17/2%. Right? Now we will apply the formula. Now the time is in fraction. Time हमारा किस में है स्टूडेंट? फ्रैक्शन में है. तो what we will do, first of all we will calculate the interest for the whole number part. ये जो मेरा whole number part है इसका मैं इंटरेस्ट निकालता हूँ. ओके, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट निकालता हूँ, अमाउंट निकालते हैं देन. ठीक है. अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू प्रिंसिपल इज 10,000, 1 प्लस में रेट इज हाउ मच? 17/2 into 100 to the power 1. Okay, so what is the amount? Now student, so amount is equal to, add these values after taking LCM. $200 plus 17, so amount will be 10,000 into 217/200. Okay, simplify it. So what is the amount? Multiply 5 into 217. This will be 10,850. Okay. Now student, we have to calculate the fraction part now. Okay. Fraction part हम कैसे calculate करेंगे student? Very easy trick. Simple interest हम calculate करेंगे and we have the amount. Okay. Simple interest is equal to ओके. फर्स्ट पार्ट हमने कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट के फॉर्मूले से कैलकुलेट कर लिया है. ये जो अमाउंट है दिस विल बिकम प्रिंसिपल फॉर माय फ्रैक्शन पार्ट. ओके, अभी मेरा 1 ईयर का ही तो आया है, 1/4 अभी रहता है. तो दैट 1/4 वाला जो मेरा फ्रैक्शन का टाइम रहता है, आई विल कैलकुलेट सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फॉर दैट टाइम, बट ये जो मेरा अमाउंट आया है दिस विल बिकम प्रिंसिपल हेयर. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? गुड. नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज. प्रिंसिपल इज 10,850 upon 100. Time is how much? Time is 1/4. And again rate is how much? Rate is 17/2. Cancel out. After solving you get now student, we have to find out the interest, how much interest we have to pay. Okay, now student see, amount for the first year was 10,850. प्रिंसिपल कितना था? 10,000. तो what will be the interest for the first year? 850. Plus for the next 1/4 year our interest is rupees 230.56. Add these values, what will be your answer? After adding you will get 1080.56. So this is the compound interest. What is this? This is the compound interest for 1 year and 3 months on rupees how much? 10,000 rupees. Clear students? So that's how you will do these questions. Okay. Now students, applications of compound interest formula. Okay, application of compound interest formula. Students, we can use this formula to find out the population, to find out the increase in the property value, as well as we can use this formula to find out the depreciation in the value of any product. कोई आपने मशीन खरीदी है, अगर उसका डेप्रिसिएशन का रेट आपको पता है, then you can find out the cost of that machine after desired time with the help of this formula. Okay, now अगर हमको इंक्रीज टाइम चाहिए, इंक्रीज वे में चाहिए, सो आप फॉर्मूला सेम रहता है. अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू प्रिंसिपल 1 प्लस में R/100 टू द पावर n. In case of depreciation means decrease in the value. What is depreciation? Decrease in value. So that this formula is also used to find out the depreciated value of any product. Okay, in that case what we will do, amount that is depreciated value is known as amount, is equal to principal 1 minus, in case of depreciation instead of writing plus in the formula we will write minus R/100 to the power n, and here is time. Okay, and same टाइम रहेगा. R is the rate, जिस रेट पे वैल्यू कम हो रही है, एंड दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल मीन्स दैट वैल्यू जिस पे आपने मशीन को परचेज किया है. ओके, सो दैट्स हाउ विद दिस हेल्प ऑफ द फॉर्मूला वी कैन फाइंड आउट द डेप्रिशिएटेड वैल्यू ऑफ अ गिवन प्रोडक्ट. ओके, that's all for the class today students. In the next class we will start with our exercise 8.3. Till then revise all these formulas and the applications so that we can do the exercise conveniently. Okay, bye bye, take care.